Alright, it is Wednesday, August 21st, 2019 at 1:53 p.m. Alright guys, let's take a look quickly here at what's happening. We got Tropical Storm Chantal forming in the North Atlantic and is no threat to land. Tropical Storm Chantal is located in the North Atlantic Ocean. The storm is no threat to land or to any land areas. Tropical Storm Chantal formed in the North Atlantic Ocean late Tuesday night. Excuse me. Ending a stretch of more than a month without a named storm in the basin. Chantal is centered more than 400 miles south of Cape Race, Newfoundland, and is moving east at more than 20 miles per hour. The tropical storm is no threat to any land areas and is expected to become a remnant low in about 3 to 5 days as it turns southward. Alright, let's take a look at the Hurricane Center. And we see Chantal, Tropical Storm Chantal, with maximum sustained winds of 35 knots or 40 miles per hour, minimum central pressure of 1009 millibars, located 40.2 north and 51.6 west, movement east at 17 knots or 20 miles an hour. Let's take a look here at Tropical Storm Chantal, and here's the track for it. It will be a storm until Friday when it becomes a depression at 8 a.m. and then it just turns southward and just dissipates. So it's not going to interfere with any land, and thankfully it stays away out of our way. Alright, also by the Bahamas we have a Disturbance 1 with 0% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. An area of disturbed weather extends over the central and northwest Bahamas and the adjacent waters. Some slow development of this system is possible over the next several days as it moves toward the Florida Peninsula and then southeastern United States. Formation chance through 48 hours, low near 0%, and formation chance through 5 days, low at 20%. So here we have the Disturbance 1. Let's take a look also at the North Pacific. We have Tropical Depression 10E, maximum sustained winds 30 knots or 35 miles an hour. Below Mexico, minimum central pressure 1007 millibars, located at 15.4 north and 107.3 west. Movement west-northwest at 60 knots or 18 miles an hour. And then we have in the Central Pacific, no tropical cyclone activity expected during the next 48 hours, so it's peaceful by the Hawaiian Islands. Alright, let's take a look at the satellite imagery of what's happening in the Atlantic right now. Look what's coming off the coast of Africa. Let me see if I can zoom into this. Look what's coming off the coast of Africa. That is a lot of rain. So keeping an eye on that. Hopefully it does not develop into anything as it comes off into the Atlantic. But keeping an eye on that. That is something serious to keep an eye on. That's a lot of rain. Alright. Also, let's take a closer look at the Atlantic. And here, the South Florida area. There is some storms between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula. And then there's the Disturbance 1 that is over the Bahamas. We gotta keep an eye on that. Hopefully it only brings rain, because if it gets stronger as it gets closer to Florida, it could cause some trouble. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more. Remember we have a sponsor, so check out Dave's Empire 1981 and the link below the video. Alright, see you guys next time. God bless you guys.